Today you'll take the quiz for Section 12.1 in Social Studies. Be sure to put your name, the date, and the class period at the top of the page. The first section of this quiz is matching. Match each item with the statement or word below. Here are the words and statements that match with letters. A is Andrew Jackson. B is John Quincy Adams. C is the largest single share. D, more than half. And E, tariff. Number 1, increased the prices of European goods. 2, majority. 3, plurality. 4, he was nicknamed Old Hickory. 5, he supported the creation of a national bank. The next section are multiple choice. Number 6. Presidential candidates who received the backing of their home state rather than that of the national party were called what? A, favorite son candidates. B, home state candidates. C, national party candidates. D, state party candidates. Number 7. Introduced in the 1828 presidential election, what became a permanent part of American political life? Was it A, campaign contributions, B, mudslinging, C, plurality, D, political cartoons? Number 8. Andrew Jackson's supporters replaced caucuses with A, delegate conventions, B, nominating conventions, C, selection meetings, D, state conventions. Number 9. The only Americans allowed to vote in 1824 and 1828 were A, white men, B, white men who owned land, C, white men and women, D, white women. Number 10. Which law was intended to allow the President to use the United States military to enforce federal law? Was it A, the Congressional Act, B, the Force Bill, C, the Military Bill, or D, the Presidential Act?